Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now she's still with us, and as promised, Sevana is going to perform her new single, Nobody Man. The stage is yours, Sevana.
Take it away.
Said if you want my loving, this song is for all of the women them who want a full-time love. The woman them who don't want to be no side piece. The woman them who don't want to take with nobody man. The one I call nobody man. And them I call for your weekend love. I said them want to be side piece, only a night piece love up in decent love. And I try bully make sure me want for your wife, it warm to the break I love. Me nah give myself to no man if it means I have to go eat some bun. Got my soul too bright and my heart too pricey. I long for love that will just never ever end, and I want you for myself. Don't think it's wrong to have these standards, no offense, but me not like embarrassment. No one, nobody man, nobody man, nobody man. Oh, me no want nobody boyfriend that no fit my brand. Nobody man, nobody man, nobody man. Oh, me no want nobody boyfriend. I can't be alone if me not in the mess. Faithfulness is what me expect. Me have high standards and self-respect. Not take back my shot, not take no check. Everybody love after cheating. After midnight, enough gym screeching. But me I look for something with meaning. Coming in the bag of excitement. No one, nobody man, nobody man, nobody man. Oh, me no want nobody boyfriend. It no fit my brand. Nobody man, nobody man, no one's man. Oh, me no want nobody boyfriend. Said I don't want nobody else but you. Just me and you. Oh, we could be a team, share our dreams, but we have to keep it clean. No one, nobody man, nobody man, nobody man. Put your hands together for me now. Body boyfriend that no fit my brand. Nobody man, nobody man, no one's man. Oh, we don't want nobody boyfriend. No, eh, no one, nobody man, eh, nobody man, nobody man. Oh, we don't want no.
Hey,
that no fit my brand. Nobody man, nobody man, nobody man. Oh, me no want nobody.
hey, hey. I'm here for the message. Yes. Doesn't fit the brand.
It's not.
Let them know. Right, Craig?
Yeah.
Craig's like, well.
No man, this is the song wicked. I could have done the dance too, but I couldn't sing along, so I figure why.
You don't want nobody man either.
You definitely don't want nobody man. You know what?
Okay.
Got you.
Yeah. All right. Love it. Okay, so why do you think a song like that is so important for our young ladies today? And young men too.
Oh, use this artist.
Either.
Anyone. Well, it's important as women to have standards, you know what I mean? Especially in a climate, I think, in Jamaica where taking a girl man is so celebrated.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's like it's a way of one-upping.
You know
a way
it's true,
of
though.
one-upping a woman. It's true.
Yeah, it's true.
It's something that way, you know, it's
yeah,
whatever.
you can't take
But
anybody,
like,
yeah.
it should be okay to say, that is not what I'm a part of. That's not my brand. I'm looking for something else. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's just a next perspective.
Yeah, nobody don't want to share.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Share no man.
and who was the producer for this one? This
JLL, big up
Big up
JLL
yourself.
Prad.
Big up yourself, yo.
Yeah. All right, so Sevana, what's your social media so we can all come and check out first of all the video, the
Yes.
trailer,
Yes.
and also the single.
Video's
You
beautiful,
can.
by the way.
Thank you very much. I
Very
appreciate
nice.
it. I worked really hard on
Colour's
it.
nice.
But yes, you can check out my social media at Call Me Sevana. So that's Call Me Sevana.
And she keeps saying it's not Savannah, it's Savannah.
Savannah, yeah.
Savannah.
Like
I'm
like
Savannah.
Savannah Lamar, but with an E and one N. Yeah.
Write it down.
It's not.
Like-
It's just how I pronounce it, Craig. It's a pronunciation
twang.
issue with a
Accent,
twang.
accent, sorry,
But
not
thank
twang.
you so much for joining us on the show. I'm loving you. I'm loving the track.
Thank
I'm
you
loving
very
all
much.
that you're about.
Thank
That's
you.
it, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Catch us back on Friday with much more
Vibe.
buzz,
Chat. Mix.
He was somewhere else. All
Yeah.
right. See you guys. See you.
Me nah go mingle with no man, 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 no man.
Hey, hey, hey.